Hello, everybody. My name is Steve Hodgson,
And I'm Dr. Eric Davis.
and we're co-hosts of the show, the Your Life Matters Show podcast. Now, on July 4th and 5th of 2025, Central Texas was hit by catastrophic flash floods along the Guadalupe River.
As of July 7th, the confirmed death toll has risen above 90, including 27 children, with even more feared loss.
Now, these numbers aren't just statistics. They are mothers, fathers, sons, daughters, and friends.
And their stories deserve to be remembered with love, dignity, and honor.
Kerr County, which was the epicenter of the devastation, accounted for the majority of these losses.
Families are still missing. 10 young campers and a counselor from Camp Mystic remain missing.
Now remember, these were holiday moments that turned into heartbreak, with scenes of wreckage and communities in mourning.
First responders conducted over 850 rescues, risking everything to save lives swept away in seconds.
And sadly, more rain threatens the region, and the rain-soaked earth is still yielding stories of tragedy as they continue to find bodies.
Today, we honor every life lost and remember that these statistics represent real people, siblings, friends, mentors. The heartbreak remains and families are mourning. Communities are shattered and some are still waiting for answers.
Today we grieve with Texas. We mourn with every parent, every sibling, every friend left behind.
Tragedies like the Texas flooding, particularly when involving fatalities, can have a severe and lasting impact on the mental health of parents and friends of those who lost their lives. Grief, anxiety, depression, and even PTSD are common reactions.
The sudden and often unexpected nature of these events, coupled with the trauma of loss, can be incredibly difficult to process. Now, if you'd like to help, please consider donating to some trusted relief organizations which currently right now are on the ground.
Organizations like the American Red Cross, Texas Disaster Relief Fund, and Feeding Texas.
Now, we've included links in the description of this video, also with telephone numbers. Remember, if you need help, be sure to reach out to one of these organizations.
Hold your loved ones close tonight and cherish every moment.
Because we grieve with the families.
We stand with Texas.
We commit to helping however we can.
We share their pain.
And never forget, their lives as well as your life matters.
We offer our hearts, our silence, and our sincere commitment to never forget.
Let's end this video in a way, possibly with a moment of silence. Let's pray to God that the healing begins immediately for family and friends.